Alright, I already took the time to take the old exhaust, the headers out, the old headers, and put in the new ones. It's a bitch taking them out. It's just that two bolts, the one right here, and the other one right here. Those are a bitch to get out, and you can't take the headers out without removing the exhaust. I mean the intake and the intake manifold. Well, the carburetor and the intake manifold. So you need to take this out in order to remove the headers. So I did that, and you're gonna spill fucking coolant. I already did that too. Just be careful that the coolant just won't go into the chambers. But other than that, it's a pretty easy installment. It's just that fucking I cut myself like 2 times already. But it's all good. They're not new, it's just that they're, I mean, better than the old ones. But I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I'm gonna put all the bolts in, and then I'm gonna put the carburetor, and we're gonna go from there. Oh, and another thing, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 exhaust bolts. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 exhaust bolts, and 1, 2, 3, 4 intake bolts that you need to remove. So just if you guys are gonna do that and don't know yet, it's a 12mm socket or bolt, nut, whatever, and easy to remove. I already finished installing the exhaust or the headers, well, including the downpipe and the whole exhaust, all the way to the back, and like you already know, this is fucking painful to take off or take out, whatever, and including the exhaust, because you need to take all those bolts, and it's just struggling. You're gonna be cutting yourself like I did a couple times, but already turned on the car to listen to the sound, and it's freaking loud. Probably because I have the back part of the exhaust on the floor, because I cannot run it through the little hole of the cross member. Many of you will know what I'm talking about, but the little hole of the cross member, I couldn't just do that because the car is way too low on the ground, and I need space so I can get the piping. I'm gonna show you guys. So there's a hole right there where the pipe should go into, but I couldn't make that because it's all bent and different and yeah, it's bent, so I need a space so I can put it into the hole. But since it's a long piece, I need a space from the ground up so I can move it around and put it in correctly. But I think I'm gonna be cutting up to here, then I'm gonna be welding another big part so I can put the exhaust tip or the muffler. I'm gonna be installing a muffler, but as of right now, since it's hitting the floor right there, it sounds so freaking loud. The old exhaust, it was 1.5 inches wide, and the new one, it's 2.5 inches. so it makes a bigger or louder noise or sound or whatever. But I already installed that, and I'm gonna be putting the new seats. The new seats came in today. Like I already told you guys. Well, I haven't told you guys this. I told my Spanish people the new seats that I have over there don't fit the car, because I'm gonna show you guys why. But I have the new original 510 seats, rear seats right here, and I'm gonna open them right now, because these are rear seats that I have. These are from a Bluebird, from one specific year. I don't know which year. I think it's a 69 coupe that have this little latch right here that when you fold it back, it latches to somewhere right here. But mine doesn't have that. I thought they were gonna fit, but they don't. And you just twist this. Twist it. That's a locking mechanism, or I don't know. So I decided to just go with the originals. I bought them, and these ones are gonna be for sale. Another thing that I want to point out is that look at the fucking packaging. I just did this, pull this up, and look at it. Probably that was the fucking male people that didn't really take care of it, or I don't know, but damn. So here we have the new seats. I don't care about the ripping or the leather not being in place, but damn, these are really good condition. Damn, no rust whatsoever. What the hell? Well, yeah, I don't mind if they come like this, because I have the new leather to upholster, so I'm gonna be replacing all these. But damn, they're finally here. I'm gonna swap them, and so the new leather that I have for them, it's brown, like the front seats. So they're gonna be matching. I'm basically gonna paint the whole interior brown or brownish with black, because the outside is gonna be red. But yeah, we're gonna install them, and we're gonna put the new leather in, or maybe later. But we're gonna be installing them today. So I already put them in. This is the new seat, but this is the JDM's seat, the one you sit on, because it's a low profile. It's like 6 inches, or 7 inches high, and the original it's like 8, 10, I don't know how many inches, but look. And this one, it's this low profile one, so I rather keep this one than the other one. And also it's in good condition. So sorry about the mess. I was trying to look for a 10mm one. I'll suck it, but that's the whole mess I did. But I'm gonna be replacing the carpet. The new carpet is gonna be coming in like in 1 week. So I'm gonna be replacing that. It's gonna be black. I'm gonna be painting the inside black, and I don't know if to keep the seats brown or just trade them the fuck is this? What the fuck is that? Or just trade them. I don't know. For now, I'm just gonna keep them. But everything on the inside is gonna be black. Even the door panels, I'm gonna have new door panels in like 2 weeks. Hopefully 2 weeks. But I'm gonna be painting the roof black as well, because I don't want that rusty shed looking like roof. I'm gonna be sanding or grinding all the way to the bare metal. Oh, and I'm gonna be measuring the roll cage, because I have the roll cage bars, but I need to weld them, and I'm gonna be measuring all that stuff, because I'm gonna be taking them to one of my cousins, because he's gonna do the welding of the battery. I'm gonna be moving that to the back probably right now, because I'm gonna be lifting the car up right now to cut the exhaust tip all the way in the end, so I can make it fit through the cross member. So I'm gonna be putting the battery to the back. Already took the Toyota logo or emblem, and I'm gonna be putting a 510 or a Datsun emblem. I think I have them. Yeah, I have them over there. Datsun emblem. And I'm gonna be changing the steering wheel to a new one probably soon.